Hi everyone, it's AlyMew here today, and I'm going to walk you guys how to request a Skeb. For those of you guys who don't know what Skeb is a website that you can request commission art from Japanese artists. And they have a special, really top-notch translation service when you type in English to request a artwork. And the interesting part about this is you put your offer, how much you want to pay for this artwork. Then you also type what exactly you want in the artwork, and the artist can either reject or accept your request. And after that, you cannot make any changes once you get the final artwork. So, who uses this? I would say a lot of people who are a fan of art, especially anime, VTubers. I can tell you I've seen Vey use this place for her stuff, and obviously something she might want to prevent other people from seeing. I've seen some Nyanner work, Silvervale requesting a lot, and a lot of people always joke about being addicted to Skeb because not only are you paying for artwork, you're giving commission to these artists, supporting them, have some cool content to put onto your Twitter or social media. But just putting it out there, you might want to let the artist know what your intention is with the art so they can agree or disagree to it. Alright, now that we've done that, I'm going to tell you guys sometimes there's special offers, and this week the special offer is for ENVtubers, English VTubers. So I'm going to put in a Skeb since it's free. What does it mean by free? That means there's no fees. Normally paid by creators. I usually order Skebs when there's no request fees. So just think of it as a little small tax. And just make sure you double check the parameters. So it's January 14th. So we're safe. And then it tells you, don't put any Google Doc text files, personal use, don't use it for Live 2D, don't translate it on your own. Skeb has its own translation, like I already said. Do not communicate with the creators. You cannot discuss or retake. Like I said, it's a one-done deal. So always make sure you read everything. So how do you find artist commission? I usually look at the new artworks and see which ones I like. I like to expand it because it cuts off here and then it's new works of voice. So I just want artwork. I just want to commission artwork. Just so you know, a lot of art are, priced differently. So you can look at this, and then this is the client, this is the artist. So we're gonna click here, see how much this costs. For me, I think in USD and pounds or NOK, Norwegian kroner. For me, making it easy, we take off these two last digits. We could go like, it's about 120 bucks. 12,000 yen to USD. 115. That's why I say taking the last two zeros just makes it super easy. It's a pretty good guesstimate. Here's an artist that I had an eye out. I wanted to commission them. I've seen this one artwork that they did. I really liked it. You can be as specific if you want with the artist. You can also provide images. Let me see if I can produce something. So Chinese New Year is coming up. I don't know if I'll get the Skeb fast. I would say I would give it 30 days. We'll see. But I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm going to take a snapshot and upload it to Imager. Alright, I'm going to just post it in here. There you go. Chinese New Year outfit. Alright. Alright, we're gonna copy the link. Go back to your Skeb request. Oh, wrong one. And just keep this here. Put Chinese New outfit. And then we're also going to need a picture of ourselves. Here's a picture of myself here. And then my avatar. There you go. So at least we have these two links. So basically, if you're requesting a Skeb, you need to give like a picture of who you're talking about. Even if it's an anime character or a video game character that everybody knows, your best bet is to save the artist. Any confusion is provide the exact image, right? And then we can say what the purpose of this, commission is about. So I thought about it. I think I want the scene to be horizontal. I want my character dressed up in this Chinese New Year outfit or similar to it, right? And she's eating dim sum. I'm going to look at how dim sum looks like and put it on Imager. And that's what I did. Dim sum. Gonna put that down, and it is good to double check if your link is working. There you go, it works. I'm gonna double check this one too. You just want to make sure everything links back to what you need. Great. Cool. And then we have to write a message. So I'm going to just introduce myself. Hi, I'm AlyMew. Alright, so I am settled on hi, I'm AlyMew. I would like to request a horizontal artwork. I'd like to use this image for my stream when I'm away. Can you make sure to place the artwork on separate layers? I'd like my character dressed up in Chinese New Year outfit, eating dim sum. I have linked what the outfit along with dim sum and my character should look like. Please feel free to adjust the outfit to your liking. You're free to decide on the expression and pose of my character. Please make us look cute. Thank you. I'm gonna put a smiley face. I don't know if we need a reference URL, but I guess I'm just gonna leave that alone. Not safe for work. I'm gonna leave this as off. You can make it anonymous if you don't want to be found. I guess this is the same thing. I never touch any of these settings, but I make sure auto translation is on because you want it to be translated with this. Don't use your Google Translate. And it just tells you request text only one shot. That's why it's pretty much this is $50 because we take out the last two. And there you go. Let's see if they will take our request. I hope so. Let's send it. Cool. So in your instance, you would have to link your credit card. They don't take PayPal. Alright. So we're going to look at my notifications. I'm going to show you guys how long it took for certain things. Let's see about this one. Ah, yeah, this one. So I sent out a request. And it literally, I probably sent it out the day before because I usually get a response within 24 hours if it was approved or not. So that's good. It was approved on December 1st. So I must have done it during, I must have gotten it November 30th. And then I got it approved. I got an email about it. And it took approximately 15 days for it to be done, which is awesome. And we can go look at this page, I guess work page. So I got this full size and chorizo, which I did ask, I'm going to use this on my social media. Can you put it on separate layers as well? And I put my link to my reference to my art. Well, not my art, but the artwork of my character. So all this in the background, they're all on separate layers and I have just her. And obviously without the sample, which is cool. This one, I still haven't gotten this artwork back. So it got accepted. I did this on the 30th as well. The deadline is actually coming up. Hopefully they will complete it in 14 days or else, I guess. And I really like their artwork. Whoa, this person asked for a lot. I really like their artwork. It's worth the wait. I think it sounds like the artist gets at least like a good 1.5 month to finish. Kind of like, it's almost like 2 months. I can wait. I basically asked if they could draw me in a yukata. And it's also the pose and expression up to you. I want to use it on display during a short break. So pretty much like that other one. Guys, it's completed. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Worth the wait. This one, I guess I did it on the 25th of December. It got approved on the 25th. I had a little fee, which is okay. And it was completed on the 5th of January. So basically like 10, 11 days this was completed. That's crazy. This person in the sky worked really fast. Let's look at the page. You guys can see it bigger. So don't worry, like I said, I always ask for separate layers, so you can always hide this and hide this border too. And you can hide the background, and you could just have just your character, which is really cool. But like I said, it's really important to always write your intention. Be as clear as you can, but you also don't want to overwhelm them. So I hope this really helps you guys out. If you guys are curious about that Skeb that I just sent, feel free to just check my Twitter. My artwork hashtag is AlyMew art. AlyMew art. I'm gonna click right here, and you can find the artwork that has been done. I hope you guys get to start using Skeb. If you guys would like, you can also request a Skeb for other VTubers. I know some VTubers during other VTubers' birthdays, they request Skebs for them. If you want to surprise your favorite VTuber or your friend, you can just request a Skeb for them. And it's honestly, I think it's not expensive at all. It's super fair for both parties. You don't have to, the artist doesn't have to worry about a client always nagging them to fix whatever they've done. So I hope you guys found this tutorial really helpful, and I can't wait to see your Skebs. I know the hardest thing is the waiting. The waiting time sucks.